Hi everyone, it's Muriel. Welcome back to my channel. So tonight I am coming on to share with you how I made this hanging Valentine heart. You can hang it on your door. You can hang it. I plan on taking them to work and letting the ladies hang it on their cubicle wall, either outside by the nameplate or inside where they sit so they can look at it. So I was going to show you how I made them. Again, I am using these hearts. They're called sticky hearts. They are from Hobby Lobby, and they have a sticky back where if you peel the yellow off, you're able to use rhinestones or gems, whatever you want, and you can just stick them all over, and then you can have this beautiful one-of-a-kind designed heart. But I chose to use them because they're chipboard, and they are pretty sturdy. And I mentioned to you that I did double them, so I do have two right now that are glued together. I pulled the sticky back off the bottom one, and I put this one on top, and I've been just kind of making sure that it doesn't bow, because it likes to bow. So I pulled out some scrap paper here I had in my stash. This may be some Authentique, I'm not sure, but I think I'm going to use that for the bottom and that for the top. And then I've already created a bow with the opposite side of this paper. We can get that out the way. And then I have a sentiment, but I may not even get into that because I just basically want to show you how it is created. So when I did them this weekend, I don't believe I took the sticky off of this part. I think I kind of just, and I guess I can, but I'm going to just go ahead and do what I did the last time. And what that was I got a pencil out, and I knew I wanted, let's see, make sure this, yeah. I know I wanted my heart to be at kind of an angle. I just wanted a little of the top color and then a lot of the bottom. Okay, so I think I want to, I'm just going to draw a really thin line across, like so you can kind of barely see that line. And then I'm going to take some of my precision glue. This has been really good to me, this glue, when double-sided tape don't want to perform the way I want it to. I can always depend on this glue. And I've been using it and using it and using it, and I know one day the day is going to come where I'm going to squeeze it and nothing's going to come out, and I'm going to be sad. So I'm just going to lay this down right a little ways above that mark that I made and press that down. I do have my roller. Where is it? Here we go. I'm going to roll this down. This is from Recollections. Yes, it is just got glue all over it. Get that to stay down. Hope you guys are having a good day. It's, what is it, Wednesday? Yeah, I was off on Monday, so I'm kind of mixed as to what today is. And tomorrow, Thursday and Friday, is remote work where many employees work from home. Not myself, I chose not to. So I will be going into the office tomorrow. The beauty is there'll be hardly anyone there. So what I'm going to do now is turn this over, and you know, this part here, I'm just going to cut around the heart. And what's going to stay is what's on, what I glued. And what's going to come up is the extra that I will not be using. So this weekend I was going to go to another retreat, but we'll see. I just need to kind of get my cards made out so you can see there's the bottom. Okay, and then plain here. So I'm going to just sit my little weight on top here. So let's move this out of the way. And then I have this piece here, and this is going to be tricky because it doesn't cover the whole thing, so I'm going to have to kind of go down like that. So we're going to see how that's going to work for me. Maybe I can kind of do something like this. may work. Okay, so again, I'm going to use some of my glue to, oops, go around the edge. So I am still waiting for tax form, you guys. I don't know what's going on. I'm waiting for 2. I got so busy today, I didn't call to see if, or check the email, so check the site so that maybe I can pull it up. But I'm ready to hit it. Go ahead and give me my punishment so I can go ahead and be done with it. So now I'm just going to lay this down. And I know the hearts are going to be at an angle, but that's all right with me. So I'm just going to lay this down like this. So that's going to cover all of that top part of the heart. And first, maybe I should have cut this off. Let's just see if we can kind of get this off. Again, ribbon is going to cover it, so there we go. Okay, we'll turn that over and go ahead and cut the top part off. So my plan is to take these to work. I know one I'm going to take Friday, and I'm going to put it on the young lady's desk. She works from home on Friday, so when she comes in Monday, she'll be a little surprised. And if I can get them written out tomorrow night, then I can do it with the rest. So they can at least enjoy it for a week. Because Valentine's Day is creeping up. I think it's following Monday. So we will see. I need to mail my sister's package out. So, okay. So there we go. We have our heart still looking like a heart. The next thing I'm going to do is add some trim from here to the V and then back up there. And I think, again, this may not go to anyone, but I was liking that pink, just a little pow against that white. Then I thought this rickrack, but it's just not pow enough. It kind of gets lost in the brick. So I'll go with this. With this here, I think, excuse me, I think I'm going to use, and this may be not a good choice, but I think I'm going to use some sticky tape. Again, this may not be one that leaves the house. I really just want to show you guys how it's made. So you can choose to use some hot glue or tape or wet glue. Okay. And then maybe just do a couple of dots of this good sealing here. And then I'm just going to align that on the side. Like so. I think I'm going to choose to cut this part here. And then I will pick it up going the other direction. Let's just lay that like this. Like so. I'm just going to take it up to the line right there. Okay, Okay, now we'll go ahead and peel it off, and then we will lay our second section down. And this is, you'll recognize, this is from Michaels. I've had these, oh my gosh, I know they're almost 10 years. Easy. These trims. I think I took this one out of the bag, so, but they've got to be at least 10 years old. 10 years of being in my stash. Okay, so we'll lay that one down like that. And just kind of keep it going. And of course, whatever trim you choose will do. I'm just trying to step out the box. I try, my goal is not to be so matchy-matchy, but I end up being matchy-matchy anyway. There we go. Did I get that? Okay. So now, we need some trim to go across. Now this is where I'm going to step out the box, I think. I kind of like a little silver, just because it's a little different. So I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to cut this, and I believe this is sticky, I believe. We'll see. I'll try to peel it back and let you know. I think it is. Oh my gosh. Let's see here. It's silver polyester decorative trim. Maybe it isn't. I have no nails, you guys. Just trying to find where there is a opening to peel it off. It may not be. So if that's the case, we're going to go back again with our tape. Again, you can choose to use some hot glue if you want. But I'm just going to kind of go following the top of the line. Going to bring that across and end it there at the top of the pink line. Let's go ahead and cut this off. Okay, now you want to peel that off, and again, whatever trim you are choosing to use. Let's just make sure you stay down. Okay, there we go. So we're gonna go ahead and use this pretty flower. Why is this sticky right here? Oh, it's a piece of glue. Okay, so we're going to line this up like so. There we go. Okay, look at all the geometric shapes. You got these diamonds going this way, flowers going this way. You got bricks, you got stitches. Okay, so now I'm going to just go ahead and trim the edge. Let me just do it like this. Be easier to follow that way. Okay. So before I go further, and again, you can use gold pen or silver marker. I have some in here. I haven't used them yet, but I might, because a lot of them look just like this, where you could just see the chipboard. So I may do that in the last step before I pass them out. Okay, so do that like that. Then I want to pop the holes, use the Crop-A-Dile and put some holes up top here so I can put my eyelets in. So to help me make sure that these circles are, these holes are kind of sort of even, I'm just gonna put a little mark here and a little mark here. There we go. And use my Crop-A-Dile. I am using the bigger hole because these eyelets seem to be a little bit bigger. So if I can see that, I'll get that in like this. Get this out. And then this one, find the hole again, And goodness, pencil, can't even see it. Okay. There we go. Thank goodness for strawberry cream 39. I believe she showed a tutorial on how to use the crocodile. Thank you, girl. You know, I mean, I've never really sat down and figured out how to use it. I just kind of played with it and go, okay, that's